In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your downloaded files on Windows 11. If you've ever downloaded something from the internet and then immediately lost track of where it went, you're not alone. Windows 11 usually puts your downloads in the same place by default, but depending on your browser or settings, they can sometimes end up somewhere else. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a few simple ways to quickly locate your downloaded files, even if you're not very familiar with Windows. Let's start with the most common location. On Windows 11, almost all downloaded files are saved to a folder called Downloads. To open it, look at your taskbar and click the folder icon to open File Explorer. If you don't see it there, you can also press the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. This opens File Explorer as well. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see an entry called Downloads. Go ahead and click that. This is the main place where browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox save files you get from the internet, such as documents, pictures, installers, and so on. If you see your file here, you can double-click it to open it, or right-click it for options like copying, cutting, renaming, or deleting. If your file is not in the Downloads folder, there are still a couple of easy things you can try. One quick method is to use the search bar in File Explorer. At the top right corner of the File Explorer window, click inside the search box and type part of the file name, or even just the file type, like PDF or JPG. Windows will scan the current folder and its subfolders for matches. If you want to search your whole computer, click on This PC in the left sidebar first, then use the search box. Another helpful option is to check your browser's own downloads list. For example, in most browsers, you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J to open a page that shows your recent downloads. From there, you can usually click an option that says something like Show in Folder, which will open the exact location of that file in File Explorer. Once you've found your downloaded file, it's a good idea to move it to a folder where it makes sense, like Documents, Pictures, or a custom folder you create. This keeps things organized and makes it much easier to find later. And that's it. Now you know several reliable ways to find your downloaded files on Windows 11.